Hello, we're here at InstallerSHOW 2025, where we're pre-launching T-MO at the new thermostat from ThermoSphere. At ThermoSphere, we're all about trying to make things easy. So we have packed in 20 years of innovation into one heating control. It's an electric heating thermostat designed for use with things like electric underfloor heating, electric towel bars, electric boilers. You can even use it with electric panel heaters and connect them to building management systems. It works on Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your phone and you can use the app to set your schedule, play with all your settings. Makes it really easy for the installer to install, extremely easy for the end user to use, and really importantly, it's easy to sell for the resellers. It's a 16 amp thermostat and it works with 2 sensor probes. So you can have one sensor probe under the floor and another sensor probe in the wall like this, so that can monitor the air temperature of the room even if the thermostat isn't positioned within the room. You can find T-MO later this year at a reseller near you.